For frequent travelers and savvy online shoppers, getting the best exchange rate is a constant challenge. That's where a multi-currency wallet like YouTrip comes in. But the big question for many is, where exactly can you sign up for and use a YouTrip card? The answer is two key countries in Southeast Asia. YouTrip is primarily available to residents of Singapore and Thailand. It launched in Singapore first and is a popular multi-currency travel wallet for Singaporeans, enabling them to exchange and hold Singapore dollars and other currencies. A few years later, YouTrip expanded its services to Thailand in partnership with Kasikornbank PCL, meaning Thai residents can also apply for and benefit from the card. Now, while the card is issued to residents of Singapore and Thailand, you can actually spend with your YouTrip card in a massive number of places. Thanks to its partnership with MasterCard, the YouTrip card can be used for cashless payments in over 150 countries and supports transactions in over 150 currencies worldwide at competitive wholesale exchange rates with zero foreign transaction fees. So, if you're a resident of Singapore or Thailand, YouTrip is your go-to card. And no matter where you live, if you're traveling, the YouTrip card is designed to save you money in practically any country across the globe. To recap, YouTrip is currently issued to residents of Singapore and Thailand, but accepted for spending in over 150 countries. Simple as that. Safe travels and happy spending.